Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial series. In today's videos, I will guide you step by step on how to configure public key authentication for SSH between two Linux servers. The method allows you to log in securely without entering a password each time you connect, which is extremely useful for automation, clustering, and server management. I will cover how to generate SSH key, copy LAN between hosts, verify the connection, and fix common permission issues. Let's get started. Okay, they have two servers. IP address is 310.11 and 310.12. Now, open the first server. Now, username, root, password. Open the terminal. Type command IPA. Now, the IP address is 310.11. Open the client server, root, password. Open the terminal. Type command IPA. Now, the IP address is 310.12. Okay, back the first server. Pin 10.10.10.12. Okay, connection is right. Now, step 1, generate the SSH key. Type the command SSH key gen -t RSA -n single quote -f lambda /ssh/id underlines RSA. Okay, SSH key generator. Okay, now step 2, copy the public key to the remote host. Type command ssh-copy-id root at 10.10.10.12. Yes. Password. Okay. Now, step 3. Repeat the step out of okay. Try is SSH root 10.10.10.12. Okay, now login is right. You need to key any password. Now again, repeat the configure. This is remote client server. Okay, now ssh root 10.10.10.11. Yes, password. Okay, again, right, you need the password. Now repeat the config again. Okay, type the command ssh, step 1, generate the ssh key, ssh dash keygen dash t rsa dash n single quote f dash f run /ssh /id underlined rsa. Okay, step 2, copy the public to a remote host, ssh copy dash id remote at 10.10.10.11. Okay, first type need keyed password. Okay, now, okay, try it. ssh root at 10.10.10.11. Okay, successful. You know, key any password. Let's log in. Okay, great job. You have just learned how to configure SSH public key authentication between two Linux systems. Now you can log in securely without entering password, which makes remote management, automation, and cluster communication much faster and safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorial series. See you next time.